Welcome to the NEC Univerge 3C phone training. In this training, we will discuss the physical features of the phone, go over call handling, which includes placing internal and external calls, putting calls on hold, transferring, and conferencing. I will also show you how to program speed dials and use HotDesking. We will talk about setting up voicemail and how to access unheard voicemail messages. We will start by going over the physical features of the phone. At the top of your phone, you will find a message indicator light. If you have a new message waiting, or if your phone is ringing, this will flash red. Within your LCD display screen, you'll see your name, extension, the date, and time. The programmable buttons are used for a variety of telephony features, such as lines, speed dials, call appearances, headset, or park. The soft keys provide you with access to telephony functions and features that are displayed within the LCD display screen. These soft keys change based upon what functions you're trying to complete. In idle mode, you will see pickup, voicemail, and new call. If you press the recall button, it provides fresh dial tone between calls. The feature button is used to program speed dials or HotDesk into another phone. While you are on a call, press the answer button to answer a second incoming call. This automatically puts the first caller on hold. The mic button allows you to mute yourself. The LED on the key will flash when the mic is muted. Press the key again to unmute the microphone. The menu button allows you to view and search your personal and corporate directory, view your call history, and adjust user settings. Press the redial button to call the last person that you reached out to. The directory button is a list of your company's employees. The volume keys will allow you to change the ringer volume or control the volume of the speaker or receiver during conversation. The selection key is located in the middle of the navigational key. It is a way to press enter on your phone. The hold button places internal and external callers on hold. The transfer button allows you to transfer a call to another extension or an outside line. Press the speaker button for hands-free capability. To place a call, either pick up the handset, press the speaker button, or press the new call soft key and dial the extension, press a speed dial, or dial the trunk access code 8 or 9 and then the number. To send a call directly to voicemail, press the reject soft key while the phone is ringing. To place a call on hold, while on a call, press the hold button. To continue a call, press the resume soft key. To transfer a call to another party, while on a call, press the transfer button. Dial an extension, press a speed dial, or dial the trunk access code 8 or 9 and then the number. Announce the call and hang up to complete the transfer. If you need to transfer to voicemail, press *74 and the extension. To add a third party into a call, while on a call, press the conference soft key. Dial an extension, press a speed dial, or dial the trunk access code 8 or 9 and then the number. Press the conference soft key again to join all three calls. Press split to split the conference into two separate calls. Once a conference has been split, you cannot connect the two calls again. Press the shuttle key to speak to each party individually. To pick up a ringing extension, press the pickup soft key. Select the extension soft key, dial the extension of the ringing number, and press the pickup soft key again. To program a speed dial, press the feature button. Press the program soft key, then press the button that you would like to program. Enter a name using your keypad. Enter in the extension or trunk access code 8 or 9 and then the number. Then press the OK soft key. Press 2 for visual and press the OK soft key. Press the Save soft key, then press the Exit soft key. The HotDesking feature allows a user to assign their extension to another phone temporarily. To log into HotDesking, press the Feature button. The HotDesking feature allows a user to assign their extension to another phone temporarily. To log into HotDesking, press the Feature button. Using the keypad, enter your extension and voicemail password. Then press the OK soft key. Your name and extension will appear on the phone. This phone will function as your phone while you are logged in. To log out of HotDesking, press the Feature button. Wait until the HotDesking logout auto-populates and press the Select key. Once logged out, your extension will go back to your original phone and the phone you were using will return to the person that it was assigned to. To enable a headset, press the Menu button. Press 3 for User Settings. Press 2 for Headset. Press 1 to enable or disable. Press 2 to enable headset. Press the OK soft key and press the Exit soft key. To use your headset, press the Headset soft key, which automatically appears when the headset is enabled. To change the ringtone, press the Menu button. Press 3 for User Settings. Press 1 to select Ringtone. Press 1 for internal or 2 for external ringtone options. Use the up and down soft key arrows to scroll through the ringtone options. Press the OK soft key to select a specific ringtone. To set up voicemail, press the voicemail soft key or enter the voicemail extension. Enter your extension followed by the pound key. Enter the default voicemail password 0000 and the system will prompt you to record your name. To record your standard greeting, log into voicemail. Press 5 for personal options. Press 1 to administer greeting. The system will then prompt you to record your standard greeting. When finished, press 1 to save. To change your voicemail password, log into voicemail. Press 5 for personal options. Press option 5 to change password. The system will then prompt you to change your password. To access new or unheard voicemail, press the voicemail soft key. Press pound and enter your voicemail password. Press 1 to listen to new messages. Congratulations! You have now finished the NEC Univerge 3C phone training. If you have any further questions, please contact your system administrator.